Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch, on each strap, you will see there's this lever you can pull on, basically the release mechanism. And how it works is basically if you pull on it towards the middle of the strap, it will release the pin from this side, and then you can pull out the strap. So pull on the lever, like this, and then you should be able, let me actually try from this side, pull on the lever, and you should be able to remove the strap. This one is a bit, it's fighting with me, but we got it. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, we have two pins on each side of the strap, and they're locked into these holes on the watch. And when you pull on the lever right here, it basically retracts the pin on one of the sides. Let me actually pull on it so you can see. Like this, it retracts it and basically releases the mechanism from the hole on your watch, and then you can pull out the strap. So let's do the same for the second one. These are quite tense, so you need to really pull on it to release it. That's why I'm struggling so much. Okay, and here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get new straps and you want to put them on, it's quite simple. You grab the strap, you grab the watch, flip it around, you put the end, the second end, not the one with the lever, the other end that is not pullable, basically retractable. You put it into a hole on the watch, one side like this. Then you pull on the lever to retract the other pin, align it with the other hole, and then release the lever, and it will click in. So let's do this. Put it on in the hole. Then let's pull on the, it's gonna be a bit interesting. Okay, put it in the hole like this, and pull on the lever to retract the pin. Come on, like that, and then align it with the other hole and release it, and it will click in and it should hold. Okay, let's do the same for this one. So put it in the hole like that, pull on the lever, come on, like this, align it, release it, and it will click in. And here we have it. We have both straps attached, they're holding, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.